Hello, my loves. This meditation will shift your specific person's thoughts and emotions to make them crave you 24/7. They will become naturally obsessed, constantly checking your socials, replaying your messages, and thinking of ways to get closer to you. They will feel restless without your presence, cling to your energy, and always make the first move. Whether it's a specific person, crush, or someone new, you will become the one they can't ignore, can't forget, and can't stay away from. This meditation is very powerful and pretty much guaranteed to work, so use it with caution. Set your intention before listening instead of letting things be randomly given by the universe. This will work even on the most stubborn person. Listen to this 3 to 5 times a day for best results. Now let's begin. They can't stop thinking about me. I am always on their mind and they love it. They feel safe, adored, and completely obsessed with my energy. They are drawn to me with a force they can't resist. They constantly crave my affection. They treasure my love and hold on to it with all their heart. They are deeply obsessed with me, wanting nothing more than to be near me always. They see me as the center of their universe. They can't get enough of me. They crave my presence, warmth, and the energy that only I can provide. They are always thinking of me. They desire to make me smile and feel loved. Their heart has been captured by me. They can't imagine their life without me. Every moment spent with me makes them fall deeper in love with me. They are hopelessly attached to me. They feel complete when I am around. They see me as their everything. They never want to be apart from me. They are effortlessly magnetized to me right now. They cannot shake the thoughts of me in this very moment. They feel that I am absolute perfection. They put me on a God tier level. They treat me better than everyone else they have ever met. I have divine authority over them. I naturally command all of their respect, admiration, and love. They believe that I am flawless. They will never be able to forget me. They show me love completely. They show me love deeply and completely. I am the embodiment of all of their heart's desires. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They show me love deeply and completely" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at 𝐦𝐢𝐳.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.